come out here, it was thundering, so I come out here to make one more video. I know y'all's probably getting tired of these. Let's see if there was any bird. It was birds, but I think it was crows. That one's nearly ate all up. But this one, I mean, not all up. There's more ate out of that one than that one. And there's no birds at the bird feeder. No, that ain't a bird. I thought that might have. I wish them birds were back around here. Right where I seen them other two. I thought, well, before the thunderstorms, I'll come out here and take one more video. I've got more videos than I do subscribers. My videos are horrible. I mean, terrible, not horrible. Because I don't like hearing myself talk. I can't tell if there's one there or not. Where's that limb? Must be a limb. There should be some more at the bird feeders and the bird bath. I think the bird bath is empty. I just filled it yesterday after somebody turned it over. I hear one up there somewhere. Only one clap of thunder a while ago. Now that video has 4,700 views. I wish they'd watch the ads as they view it. No. Is that? I thought that was one. Oh, there's a bird. Flew off. There he is. There's the bird that flew off. Wait, where is it? The bird flew off as I was looking from below. Maybe if I sit here and stay still, it'll come back. Now I can't even find the darn. Oh. Yep, I think I need to refill the bird bath. I guess I better go get some water real quick. Maybe they'll come back. I'll add this to the second video. So I'll be back. Bird bath. Now if I can, sorry y'all, I'm trying to sit down. Oh, come on. I was looking to see. I'm gonna stay out here and make. I'll have to add this to my other. Maybe I said stay still and set the at the bird feeder. They'll come before the storm starts, the rain starts. That's if I don't get eaten up yet. Come on. Oh, bird. I'll look for some birds. Since they ain't at the bird feeder. This one's going to be a long video. I'm going to have to add my first one to it. There goes a car. There goes a pickup, another vehicle. Well, I guess I could sit here and watch cars go by too while waiting on birds to go to the bird bath. This is supposed to be a bird video, not no car video. I'll shut up. So you can hear the song Birds, or the birds singing. Looking for birds and watching the cars go by down on the highway. Well, I guess I better look for some birds. I don't think I want to see the cars go by. Unless Jeff at Vacation Station would like to see them. And Miss Marie too. Hello, Jeff. Hello, everyone. I filled it up. I need to wash it out again. I will when the water's all out. I need to set that on a level ground so it won't be lopsided. Come on, little birdies, come before the I'm getting tired of that eyesore. I have nobody to come and remove it or anything. My brothers won't even help me. Oh, trees are so pretty and green. I'm looking slowly for some birds. No birds. Come on, birds, come to the bird bath or the bird feeders before the rain and the thunderstorms start. See, we didn't get no rain last night. Did we? No, we didn't even get no rain last night. There's a bird. If I can. Where? No. I'm just trying to. There it is. I found a bird. What bird is that, y'all? Uh-oh. Thunder. I ain't going in yet. It flew off. Well, at least there wasn't no bird on the tree limb. I guess I better get in, shouldn't I? stay a little longer out here because this is going to be 2 videos in one. Already 10 minutes long. Watch, it'll take all the rest of my internal storage. I'll be without a phone. I was hoping to win the lottery last night. I didn't win the lottery. I'll make another video tonight. Standing from the door again. Maybe dark 30. Oh, this is my sweet little neighbor. Well, if y'all like this video, please give it a like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.